White Pocket, located within Arizona's Vermilion Cliffs National Monument, is a mesmerizing geological site renowned for its swirling sandstone formations and vibrant colors. This remote area offers a unique landscape that captivates photographers, hikers, and geology enthusiasts alike. The stunning appearance of White Pocket is primarily due to its unique geological formations. The area features intricate layers of white and red Navajo sandstone, sculpted over millions of years. These formations exhibit swirling patterns and contorted shapes, often described as resembling cauliflower rock or brain rock. The vivid colors and textures result from a combination of sedimentary processes and mineral deposits, creating an otherworldly landscape that appears almost surreal. How to get there? Reaching White Pocket requires careful planning due to its remote location and challenging terrain. One starting point. From Page AZ, take Highway 89 west for 36 miles. Alternatively, from Kanab UT, take Highway 89 east for 38 miles. Important considerations. Vehicle requirements. A high-clearance 4x4 vehicle is essential, as the roads can be sandy and challenging. Regular vehicles may not be suitable, especially after adverse weather conditions. Navigation. Cell phone service is unreliable in this area. It's advisable to download offline maps and carry a GPS device.